Hello friends, my name is Vinit. Today I'm going to teach you all how to keep track of your stock in Excel using the data entry form. I've opened an Excel sheet here with a data entry form. In my first sheet I have this form here, and how to create this form and how to run this macro and how to use this drop down list you can see in my previous video, that is bar inventory in Excel using data entry form. I have shared the link below, please go through it. Now in the second sheet I have this opening stock, uh, that is with date, particulars and quantity, and I have entered some data in it. And under purchase I have the same thing, date, particulars and quantity along with some data. And under sales the same thing, date, particulars, quantity and with some data. And under closing stock I have this heading and this closing stock and this today's date, and with serial number, item code, item, these are the items that I have, and price, units, opening stock, purchase, sales, closing stock and total stock value. Here I'll be using some formulas which I'll show you later. Let's go to the form and do some entry. So on the 1st of January I at 2 kg had 5 in the opening stock. So click opening stock. Now you go to this opening stock, you can see here atta 2 kg 5. Now let's go to form again, and on 2nd 2024 item tea 250 gram I purchased 10 packets. Click on purchase. Now let's go to purchase sheet. See on 2nd 1st 250 gram 10. Suppose the entry which I've done was wrong, it was not 10, it was 8. You can click keep the cursor here and change it to 8. Now let's go to the form again. On 3rd 01/2024 item T250 gram I sold 2 packets. Click on sales. Now let's go to the sales sheet. You can see here on 3rd 1st 2024 250 gram 2. Now let's go to the closing stock and let's enter the formula here. Under the opening stock here, let's use the formula equal to sum if, open the bracket, click on this opening stock, highlight this whole column, give a comma, go to this closing stock again, click on this and again highlight this whole column, give a comma, again go to opening stock and highlight this whole column, close the bracket, give enter. See this. Now drag the formula below. Now let's check this. You can see this and let's check it with the sheet. Go to the opening sheet and you can check here that at 2 kg 5 plus 2 7. Okay, so now let's go to the closing sheet again. Now again use the formula equal to sum if, open the bracket, go to purchase, highlight this whole thing, give a comma, go to this closing sheet, click on this, highlight this whole thing, give a comma, again go to purchase, highlight this whole column, close the bracket, enter. Now copy the formula below. Now let's check whether this is right or not. Go to purchase sheet and check it with this. Now again let's go to the closing sheet. Here again use sum if, open the bracket, go to sales sheet, highlight this whole column, comma, go to the closing sheet, highlight this whole column, comma, again go to sales sheet, highlight this whole column, close the bracket, enter. Now let's drag the formula below. Now you can check it with the sales sheet. Atta 2 kg is 4 sales, you can see here atta 2 kg is 2 and 1 and 1 4. Okay, that's right. Now let's go to the closing sheet and enter the closing stock. Here you're going to use a different formula, that is equal to, open the bracket, click on this opening stock plus purchase, close the bracket, minus sales, that is F5 plus I5 minus L5 will give you the closing stock. Now close the, drag the formula below. You can check here, 7 plus 6 13, 13 minus 4 9, and so on. Here 5 plus 5 10, minus 5 5. So here again let's drag the formula below, and for total stock value you give a different formula. Here you give an equal to sign, price, that is the rate, into closing stock, give enter, will give you the total stock value. Close the form, drag the formula below here. Now let's highlight this whole thing and go here, give accounting, so you get this sign. Now to change this to rupees, you have to highlight this whole thing, give right click, format cells. Here you can see this change the sign, so by clicking this here, go down, go right down till you find rupees. Here you got rupees, English India, click on that, click OK, and see this. So this is how you can calculate your keep track of your stock in Excel. I hope you like this video of mine. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.